Let me show you how I made this rich and creamy, old-fashioned vanilla ice cream using just 3 simple ingredients and no ice cream maker needed. To make this vanilla ice cream, start by whipping 2 cups of heavy cream using an electric mixer on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. This usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, pour in 1 15-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Using an electric mixer, give it a quick mix until it looks smooth and creamy and stiff peaks start to form, as you can see in the video here. Next, scoop all that creamy mixture into a freezer-safe container. I am using a regular loaf pan for this. Smooth out the top with a spatula and then cover it with plastic wrap and make sure it is sealed tightly. Freeze the ice cream for 7 hours, which is just enough time to make it firm but still creamy and easy to scoop. It will be perfect for serving in ice cream cones or scooping into bowls.
Yum!
This ice cream has a rich and creamy texture that melts in your mouth, just like the old-fashioned vanilla ice cream from your childhood. Plus, it is much faster and easier to make than traditional ice cream. If you are worried about eating too much ice cream, then check out this sugar-free, low-carb, 2-ingredient ice cream recipe here. It is surprisingly delicious, but completely guilt-free. Check it out now.